Islam fixes a lot of the problems that men are currently facing. Islam fixes all of them. I can walk through London with a t-shirt saying Jesus is gay and nothing will happen to me. If I did the same thing with the Islamic prophet, I'd be dead before I got to the end of the street.
Boom.
That's how much they believe and respect. And I respect people who stick up for what they believe in. And I've been all around the world. Some of the best countries in the world today are the first world Muslim nations.
Yeah.
You can go to Qatar, you can fall asleep with $1 million on your lap in the middle of the street.
Andrew Tate was born and raised in a small town where he lived with his loving family. Growing up, he had a happy childhood filled with laughter and curiosity. His parents taught him the importance of kindness, honesty, and hard work. As Andrew grew older, he became interested in learning about different cultures and religions. He was always curious about the world around him and eager to explore new ideas. Despite his open-mindedness, Andrew initially didn't have much exposure to Islam. However, as fate would have it, Andrew's path crossed with some Muslims who lived in his community. They welcomed him with warmth and kindness, inviting him to learn more about their faith. Andrew was intrigued by their devotion to God and their peaceful way of life. He began to read books about Islam and attended gatherings where he could listen to lectures about the teachings of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The more he learned, the more he felt drawn to the beauty and simplicity of Islam and how pure the Sharia is compared with the modern-day Western world. He often pointed out how Christianity falls to the traps in the modern West today. After much contemplation and soul-searching, Andrew made the decision to embrace Islam as his faith. It was a profound moment for him, filled with a sense of peace and fulfillment. He felt a deep connection to God and a newfound purpose in his life. Andrew's journey to Islam was not without its challenges. He faced skepticism from some friends and family members who didn't understand his decision. However, with the support of the Muslim community and his own unwavering path, Andrew remained steadfast in his beliefs. Today, Andrew continues to live as a devoted Muslim, striving to follow the teachings of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. His journey to Islam has transformed his life in profound ways, shaping him into a person of compassion, humility, and strength. But there's more to the story. How can a person who was addicted to every haram thing has not done anything for 2 years? In the beginning, Andrew Tate's journey as a Muslim was filled with both excitement and challenges. He was eager to embrace his newfound faith, but also faced the task of adapting to a new way of life. One of the first things Andrew learned about as a Muslim were the rituals of Islam. He discovered the importance of daily prayers known as salah, which helped him to connect with God throughout the day. Andrew found peace and solace in these moments of prayer, feeling a sense of closeness to Allah. Learning about fasting during the holy month of Ramadan was another significant aspect of Andrew's early days as a Muslim. He was initially apprehensive about abstaining from food and drink during daylight hours, but with guidance from the Muslim community, he embraced the spiritual significance of fasting. Ramadan became a time of reflection, self-discipline, and gratitude for Andrew. He even continued fasting while he was jailed in Romania. Adapting to a new lifestyle also meant making changes to his daily routines and habits. Andrew had to be mindful of what he ate and drank, ensuring that his meals were halal or permissible according to Islamic dietary laws. He also made an effort to dress modestly in accordance with Islamic teachings. Navigating potential conflicts with his previous beliefs and lifestyle was perhaps one of the biggest challenges for Andrew. He had to reconcile his new faith with aspects of his past that may have been incompatible with Islam. However, with patience and perseverance, Andrew found ways to integrate his beliefs and values into his daily life. Despite the obstacles he faced, Andrew remained committed to his faith and continued to grow as a Muslim. His early days as a Muslim were filled with learning, growth, and a deepening connection to Allah and the teachings of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In Andrew Tate's journey as a Muslim, he encountered various challenges and doubts that tested his faith and resolve. These struggles came from different sources, including societal pressures, theological questions, and personal conflicts. One of the biggest challenges Andrew faced was societal pressure. Some people around him didn't understand his decision to embrace Islam and questioned his faith. They may have had misconceptions about Islam or harbored prejudices against Muslims. This made Andrew feel isolated and misunderstood at times, as he grappled with the need to defend his beliefs while staying true to himself. Additionally, Andrew wrestled with theological questions that arose as he delved deeper into his faith. He found himself pondering complex concepts such as predestination, the nature of God, and the purpose of human existence. These questions were natural for someone on a spiritual journey, but they also posed challenges to his understanding of Islam and his relationship with Allah. Moreover, Andrew faced personal conflicts that tested his commitment to his faith. He encountered situations where his Islamic principles clashed with his desires or societal norms. For example, he struggled with maintaining modesty in a culture that often prioritized materialism and self-indulgence. He also faced temptations that challenged his adherence to Islamic values, such as peer pressure to engage in activities that conflicted with his beliefs. During the moments of doubt and struggle, Andrew leaned on his faith for guidance and strength. He sought solace in prayer, turning to Allah for wisdom and clarity. He also sought support from the Muslim community, finding comfort in the fellowship of fellow believers who understood his journey and offered encouragement. Andrew's doubts and struggles ultimately served to deepen his faith rather than weaken it. Each challenge he faced became an opportunity for growth and reflection, strengthening his conviction in Islam and his relationship with Allah. Through perseverance and faith, Andrew was able to overcome his doubts and emerge from his struggles with a renewed sense of purpose and conviction. Andrew Tate's faith has become a sturdy pillar in his life, guiding his actions, shaping his beliefs, and providing him with a sense of purpose and peace. Over time, Andrew's faith has evolved from a newfound curiosity to a deep and steadfast commitment to Islam. At the core of Andrew's faith is a profound belief in the teachings of Islam and the guidance of Allah. He finds strength and solace in the principles of compassion, humility, and devotion that Islam espouses. His daily prayers, recitations of the Quran, and acts of charity serve as constant reminders of his connection to Allah and his commitment to living a righteous life. Andrew's faith has also had a profound impact on his relationships and interactions with others. He strives to embody the values of kindness, respect, and empathy in his interactions with friends, family, and strangers alike. His faith has fostered a sense of community and belonging within the Muslim Ummah, where he finds support, camaraderie, and shared purpose. Andrew's unwavering commitment to his faith is evident in the way he lives his life, striving to align his thoughts, words, and deeds with the teachings of Islam. Despite the inevitable ups and downs of life, Andrew's faith remains steadfast, providing him with a sense of purpose, peace, and fulfillment. He continues to grow and evolve in his journey as a Muslim, deepening his understanding of Islam and his relationship with Allah. Andrew's faith serves as a beacon of light, guiding him through life's trials and tribulations and illuminating the path towards spiritual growth and enlightenment. In conclusion, Andrew Tate's faith is a source of strength, guidance, and inspiration in his life. It has transformed him into a person of unwavering conviction, compassion, and integrity. Through his commitment to Islam and his relationship with Allah, Andrew finds meaning, purpose, and fulfillment in every aspect of his life. We all should encourage Andrew Tate with our words and positive messages. May Allah guide him and us all on the right path and give us the strength of faith.